Oh hey, it's from me and Kate Middleton. Welcome back to Tammy T Vlogs.
This is the Tammy Show! Hey guys, it's me Tammy T and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today is a weekly vlog at Burr College. I'm so excited. I'm going to be watching the third year show. So first thing I'm going to do, put my bag into the thingy. Now it's time to go in. I'm in Studio 45 today. Let's go! Woo! Hello everyone! I'm dizzy now. I'm heading back to my locker now because I forgot to go get all of my shoes and they're all in my locker. Got 5 more minutes till my lesson. Hello, David Vlog! Hi! Hello. So here are the lockers, guys. I need tap, jazz, mission accomplished. Now I'm ready. I think lockers are so awesome because you can keep all your stuff here, but then you kind of forget and then you're like, oh no, I forgot my shoes, where are they? But then you're like, oh no, they're in my locker. So I had contemporary and we had jazz and it was so cool. It was heels and we were really controlled and calm. This was a challenge, but it was fun. I have somehow lost my ballet shoes and I have ballet later, so Tashi T has been the best friend ever and she's letting me go to her locker and get her spare ones. On my way to get them now. And yeah, we've just been over there. Now we're coming through here. Just like showing you a bit like what it's like here. And hi Sunny.
Hello!
Say hi to the vlog.
Hello! Lovely people! Hello!
Yeah, so the lockers are up there, so let's go. Hey vlog, so we're about to do tap. Hi Tom!
Hi!
Say hi to the vlog!
Hi vlog!
Hey! I have ballet, what do you have?
Nothing!
Okay! What did you just have?
Ballet!
What was it?
It was amazeballs!
Yeah! Hey! How was ballet?
So good!
I'm about to have that now. Exciting. The mad rush to do my bud in 2 minutes and I'm not ready. LOL. LOL. Say oh well or go to hell. I actually don't think I do. I took it out. I do. I do. I do. I do. I do. I want chocolate.
Oh,
I want chocolate.
I could actually just right now. Can I have one? Yeah.
On shoes.
I could devour an Easter egg right now.
Me too.
If I was you,
I wanna be me too. So we just had ballet. It was so hard, you guys. Today has been so hard. In tap, we did a routine and it was like bum, 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 ballet was like so hard. We are now doing third year class. It is a challenge. It's so fun and I loved every second, even though I was literally failing. But it's okay because I will improve eventually. Always look on the bright side. What? Okay, hey everyone. So it is the next day and we have a meeting in the theatre and we're all in the same place. Oh my gosh. Stage! This is where the third year musical is, guys. How awesome.
Happy Tuesday.
What do you think the meeting is about?
I don't know. We'll wait and see, won't we?
Okay guys, so we just had a meeting and it was like really cool actually.
It was very in-depth and scary.
Yeah, it was kind of scary.
But you know what? It's what we need.
But
It's what
we
need.
now know that we have the passion.
If
and
we have the passion and we go to every dance class, we will make it in the end.
we will achieve everything we want
Believe
to achieve.
and you will achieve.
Believe and you can achieve. Chris, do you have the passion?
It's deep down there. She just needs to be brought out. Oh.
Me too.
No, you have no passion. No, she has a bit of passion. Tiny bit.
Oh, we're kind of matching with the red.
Kind of.
Kind of, sort of.
Because we're both so pretty.
Hey!
Sunny
Sunny Sing!
Hey, it's a lovely sunny day.
Wow. Oh my gosh. Hi, Sophie. Bye. Hey, vlog. So we have ballet. Look at my hair. And I'm so excited. Pirouettes, go. will get it one day. Hey everyone, so we just had ballet and I'm about to have my tutorial for my presentation. I'm doing my presentation on Anne Juliet, guys. It is amazing. I love it so much. So yeah, I'll let you know how that goes. I had my tutorial. It was so fun. I got some good feedback, stuff to work on. What was good? How was yours?
It was alright, thanks.
Yeah. Hey vlog!
Hi, Tamsin's vlog. It's me, Josh. Have a good day.
Bye! Now we have tap! Woo! Stop! Boom, boom, boom! Hey guys, so we just had tap and it was tapping amazing. It was tap-tastic, exactly. Me and Zanel did a duo. And guess what we're doing now? We're on our way to a bass lesson. Oh, yeah. So excited! Woo! But yeah, bye! Hey everyone, so we are here now at bass. So excited. So you left our class.
Hey vlog!
Hey vlog! So we just finished our class. It was super fun. I had the best time ever with Sally C.
Tamsin smashed it. We went
You smashed
This
it!
class we go to.
Kay.
Yeah, and
Wait,
we
what's
had
her full name? Kaylee.
Kaylee
K-Jets on Insta.
Yeah, we
She-
loved it. She's
She
a vibe.
is amazing.
We had her at college, didn't we? So
Yeah, and she recognised us.
And seeing Big Ben. Show them Big Ben.
Whoa! I mean, it's all the way over there. Happy birthday! We're going into acting right now, guys. We just had a break and I got a chocolate milk. Hello.
Hi, I'm Rabbi. Nice to meet you.
Well, have a great day.
You too.
Bye. Hello, everyone. Oh, hi. Hi. Oh my gosh, how are you guys doing?
So
good. Hello.
we're so good. Balls, Melody,
I'm Annie.
and I'm Tom.
Oh my gosh. How's your day going?
Even better for seeing you. Like, this has been a treat.
Oh my gosh.
I'm feeling like I'm like meeting a celebrity.
No way. Hello. Hello. Hi, everybody. Hello. On Wednesdays we wear pink. I have accents, so I have to wear black. Hello. Hello. David, say hi to my vlog.
Hello, you alright?
Yeah. Say hi to my vlog. Hi vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Hi. Hello. 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 Going down. On my way to Contemporary. We're in the studio. Let's go in. Woo! Hello, everyone. Hello. Hi. Sally. Hi, Sally. Okay. Yeah! Woo! Hello!
Hi.
Hi! Hi! I'm run over by a truck. Hi! How's it going?
It's going good. Just had Sue's class and I'm dripping.
What was it
sweat.
like?
It was very good. It's a bit very intense.
I had that on Friday.
Good luck.
But yeah, just finished Contemporary and now I'm going to Accents.
Gorgeous stuff. I've got accents later, so you're gonna have to tell me
Okay.
what you're doing it.
And we're doing Southern American.
Oh, you're good at that accent.
No, nah. Hey! Hi! Stop! Hello. So we just had accents and it was so fun. Hi! Hi! Oh my gosh, I'm about to see you on stage. Introduce yourself.
I'm Darcy, I'm in police.
Hi. Hello. Hello. Introduce yourself to the vlog.
I'm Jennifer.
Hi, Jennifer. You were crazy for you, weren't you?
I wasn't crazy for
You were crazy.
Thank you very much.
I loved it.
Glad you enjoyed it.
Did you like? Hello, Ben. Whoa, I've got some too. Hi. Hi. Melody Lee. Hello. Can you be in my vlog? Say hi, vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Wow. That was, you didn't even have to say anything because you're that amazing. How's it going?
Amazing.
Hello. Hello. Hi, vlog. We're about to go into theatre. Woo!
I sang for Lulu.
Wow. I did that on Friday.
What did you think?
We had to sing for Lewis. Tiniest lifeboat.
Heather's.
People I know from
God.
Heather's. What did you do?
I sang vanilla ice cream.
Oh, I love vanilla ice cream, but for chocolate though. What's your favourite ice cream flavour?
Mint chocolate chip.
Yeah, that's good. Wow, you look so nice right now.
Thanks, Thompson.
Make sure you
Thanks,
watch the
Tummy
vlog.
Tea.
Oh my gosh, you guys, look at the stage. It's so dark and creepy. Oh my gosh, Lucy D, how are you feeling?
I'm really excited to watch it.
Whoa! Oh my gosh. Hello, Tashi. Enjoy the show. Okay guys, so we are in the interval and it is so cool. I think it's so sparkly. I was so excited I forgot to tell you that what it was.
What, the show?
Yeah. Do you want to tell them?
It's funny.
Really cool. It's mysterious.
Ground floor.
That's the barrel turn. That's there's no sun. Where's the sun?
The clouds can't stop me now.
Loving this new angle.
I just watched the first act of Follies. It's so good. Have you seen it yet?
No.
When you watching it,
Watching it tonight.
have the best time. Oh my gosh, that was amazing! Now we are at the stage door and we're waiting for the cast. Woo! Ah! Woo! You were so good! Oh my god! Hello! You were so good! Oh my gosh! Wow! It was so amazing. You were sparkle-tastic. Oh my gosh! You were outstanding. Okay, let's be calm. But you were so good. I enjoyed it so much. You were so talented. Such like a full circle moment. And like it was so sparkly.
Well, I wasn't as sparkly as the costumes, but they were very sparkly.
What? No, you were more
They were
sparkly.
pure sequins.
You were more sparkly than the sparkles on your costume. Oh my gosh, hello. Hello, you were so good. So Patrick and Holly.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you were so amazing.
You enjoyed it.
I was just saying how I thought you were more sparkly than the sparkles on your costumes.
Exactly. You shone like a star. Thank you. Thanks, Tammy T.
So good. Oh my gosh, say hi to the vlog.
Hello.
I cannot believe I met you a couple weeks ago and now I'm meeting you again.
I was telling you you're a West End star as well.
Yeah, you were Billy Elliot with Tash. Hello.
Hello.
You were so good.
Oh, thank you so much. Appreciate it.
I loved every second.
Oh, thank
It
you.
was so talented.
Oh, thank you so much, Sammy. Really appreciate
Can you
it.
be in my vlog? You're the dance captain. I am the dance captain. You're the dance captain. Show us some moves. Oh my god. Oh, yes. Yeah! Oh my gosh. Wow. Well done. Wow. Okay, introduce yourself to the vlog.
Hi, I'm Georgia.
You were the main character. You were so good. Oh my god. Yeah!
Thompson's vlog.
Oh yes! Oh, I miss you guys so much.
Hi.
Oh my gosh, you were in Aladdin!
Yeah.
Oh, that is so amazing! I love Aladdin. Hi!
Hi.
Everyone's it's Thursday today and we are in Dance Project. Did you like Follies yesterday? I loved it too. So much talent shining as bright as or even brighter than the stage lights.
very much brighter. They were all so talented.
Yeah, you are so great in this dance. Guys, I cannot wait for you to see Dance Project. It is so exciting. But yeah, I was late today. But it was really funny because you were doing a run and I just like, I came in through that door when it was my part. Shall I do a reenactment? Yeah. Hey guys, so we just finished project. It was such a good session this week. I loved it. So great. Now I'm going home for a bit. I'll be back shortly. Okay guys, so I just had my individual lesson and review. I didn't have that good of a lesson, but it's okay. Always look on the right side.
Everything will be okay in the end. If it's not okay, it's not the end, and that's the key thing.
Yeah! All that matters is if you have the passion. And I do so.
You definitely have.
Woo! I'm running to the car. Hi! Introduce yourself.
I'm Dylan.
Hi,
Probably
Dylan.
People are going to comment, like, is that boy off TikTok,
Yes,
the
it
reader?
is.
I was just giving them all psychic readings just about their life.
Yeah.
Okay, can you give me one?
Tamsin, you're going to be an Anne Juliet.
No way!
You're going to be an Anne Juliet. So how do you feel about your revelation, Tamsin?
I'm so
You're
excited.
so excited, you should be.
Pop-tastic.
Rehearsals start in 2 weeks.
Bye! Hi! How are you feeling? Hello! How are you guys feeling? Have you got the feeling that you can't stop? Can't stop the feeling!
Oh yeah.
Will you dance, can't stop the feeling! Oh my gosh, get in the vlog! I have ballet now, so gotta go, bye!
Hi vlog.
Yay!
Hi, Tamsin's vlog.
Woo! Say hi to the vlog! Oh my gosh! Hey guys, so we just had ballet and now we're doing a agent letters talk. Hi! There's so many people here. Oh my gosh guys, so I just had the agent letter thing, it was so fun. Hey! Hello!
Hi everyone, I'm Jack. I'm a third year at Burr College.
You're amazing!
Stop it. No, I'm embarrassed.
Hey vlog, so it's Friday today, woo! And I had Jazz and ETS. Oh my gosh, so good.
I just sang and it wasn't very good.
You were amazing! Hey! Hello! Hi!
Look, it's a deputy.
Oh my gosh!
I just had Into the Woods. Do you want to see a preview of it?
Yeah! To bring some bread to Granny, who is sick in bed. Never can tell what lies ahead, but I know she's already dead. Into the woods, to Cameron's house, and home before dark.
Hi, everyone, get your Rolos.
Oh, thanks
Hey vlog. Hey! Okay guys, so we're in there. We've got a bass class. Hello! Hey!
Hey, Timmy T vlog. Hey, Timmy T vlog.
Oh my gosh, you are amazing. You have the best lesson ever.
No, thank you. You are amazing. You have the best lesson ever.
Bye!
Bye.
We just had commercial with Dax. It was so good. And now we have bodycon with Mo. Let's go say hi to Mo.
Hello everyone.
Hi Mo! Look at this. The screens are gone. How exciting. We used to have massive screens over by the mirror because of the coronavirus. But that's not here anymore, so goodbye. Hi.
Hello.
Can I take the register?
Yes, you can.
Yeah.
Register duty today. As always.
We have Senna.
I'm here. Hi guys, so this is a Zanny Z takeover. What do we think? Does Tamsin suck? I think so. Maybe I should take over the vlog more often. Do you want to take over the vlog?
Yeah, hi.
Tamsin.
Here.
Are you ready?
Right, this is tummy tea. What are we doing
Doing
today?
a back tuck again. I just did it.
Let's go. Let's go. Yeah.
I just was a demonstrator.
Wow.
That's Christy. Okay, I'm gonna try it, like helping me do a back tuck.
Okay. Do you want me to carry on filming? Yeah.
Hi, Darren.
Okay.
Yeah, you're about to go see the show.
Yeah, I haven't seen it yet, so I'm gonna watch it.
Well, have the best time ever.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Bye. Just had BuddyCon. Now we're about to have self-tape project. Hey, buddy. It's Friday. Hola. Oh my gosh, you are so amazing. Have a great day. I just did loads of TikToks. What do you have now?
We got swing.
Have the best time I have self-tapes. Rich started a fire and he burned out the house. Work! Last lesson! Yeah!
Hi, vlog.
Okay, everyone. So we just finished and we were practicing some big belting and all the different qualities. Wait.
New outro though.
Yeah, we got a new outro ready. Hi, Tim. Bye. Like, comment, subscribe.